Hello everyone, so we are at the OnePlus 60 unboxing experience for McLaren. We can already see that the carbon fiber is always present at this new model from OnePlus. As we heard on the presentation, we have a book. We have the OnePlus. We are talking about a joint venture between OnePlus and McLaren. So speed is the most important thing. 10 gigabytes, the first worldwide phone having 10 gigabytes of RAM. Here we have also some additional features, a part of a carbon fiber from McLaren. This version also have an AR feature that we'll start discovering now. We can see that some of the pictures present on the book also have some important messages, so we can also swipe some images. We can get not only one fantastic mobile phone, but also an amazing experience. OnePlus, with this partnership with McLaren, step up the game and develop something that is much more than a phone, but a really excellent experience that everyone will enjoy. I would recommend strongly everyone to buy it.